So, in the last video, we discussed about list and we saw how list can be useful in storing our data. So, but you might be thinking, like, say, if we have to maybe save some student detail, so we are taking name, height, weight, age, and what if these variables increase? What if student details is having maybe 1,000 variables? So it will be hard to store them and to retrieve them at once. Okay, so there comes dictionary and rescue. So what happens in real life is I will show you this spreadsheet. It is, you can see it as CSV file. What is a CSV file is, that is comma separated value. These all values will be separated with commas. How? Like this. Okay. So how these will be arranged, I will show you using dictionary. So serial number, name, position, salary, join date, experience, phone number, address, and so on, so on, so on, so on. It will go and go and go. So this is the real life example. Okay. So okay. Now how dictionary does all this for us, I will tell you. And what is dictionary first? This is unordered data structure. It is not like list. This is not ordered. Okay. And the second thing is, it is, we can see dictionary as the collection of multiple lists. See, this is a collection of multiple lists. Okay. Now it dictionary looks like set. Dictionary do look like set. So what is the basic syntax for dictionary? Say this is a dictionary, curly braces. Inside curly braces, you will have one key and you will have one value. So you can access this value only by using this key. Otherwise, you cannot access this value. Like in list, we were using indexing, but in dictionary, we have key value pair. Okay. If you will see set is nothing but how to represent a set. You can represent a set only by this, only by curly braces. Inside set, you don't have key value pair. We will discuss that. But for now, we are discussing dictionary. So this is the basic syntax of dictionary. It is the variable name of dictionary, and after that, one key and some value associated with that key, and one colon, which separate the key with its value. And keep it in mind that these values can be extracted only by using keys, not using indexing. Okay. Okay. Then this is okay. And one more thing is, every key will be unique. No key can be of same name. Okay, no key can be same. And if the keys will be same, I will show you one practical example below. What will be the problem if the keys will be same? Okay, so before we were saving the data like this, like these lists, and I show you one real time CSV file, which is nothing. You can understand that as Excel file. And there, if the number of columns will increase, if the number of variables will increase, maybe here will come your email and your father name, mother name, then it will be hard for us to save this all. Then what we do is simply we make one student detail dict. We make one dictionary and we name the dictionary as student details dictionary. Now for defining this dictionary, I showed you earlier that, see, this is the use of triple quotes. Okay. Now, what is the syntax? Dictionary and curly braces. Now key, colon, values. These are the values associated with the key. Now the keys. See, these are the curly braces and these are the starting curly braces. This is the starting curly braces. This is ending curly braces. This is the starting of the dictionary. This is the end of the dictionary. And these name is the key. Okay, height is the key. Weight is the key. Value is the key. No, age is the key. Okay, and these values are associated with it. See, these are the values associated with it. Now how this is helping us? Maybe we are having a student detail dictionary. Then we will be having, maybe this is the student detail of maybe computer section. These are the computer section students. Then we have maybe math section student. So if we will be having math section student, and if we will try to save them here, then how to save them? Then we have to name them names, then math section, then see the naming is also increasing. So this is quite difficult to do it over there using the list. That's why we use dictionary. Now student detail date, this is one dictionary. We can make another dictionary. Okay, we can make another dictionary. Maybe senior student dictionary. Now if we will write here, if we will make one key here, name. So this name key is very different with this name key, because this name key is associated with only this dictionary, and this name key is associated with this dictionary. So these all two names will be interpreted differently. Okay, so there will be no collision between them. Okay, so okay, the key thing is clear, the value thing is clear, the maybe the curly braces thing is clear, and after that the colon is clear. Now this dictionary is kind of like it a collection of list which are associated with key. Okay, and those collection of list are values. These are nothing but values. These are called values in the terms of dictionary, and they are associated with key. Why key? Because and every key should be unique. Okay, no key can be same. So we can see it as advanced data structure. Why? Because we are saving inside dictionary. We are saving maybe these lists. Okay, so this is a kind of advanced data structure. Okay, then the thing is accessing element of dictionary. So how to access the element of dictionary? If I will access the dictionary elements like this, so it will say key error, because there is no key named as 0. What I told you is we cannot access dictionary using indexing. Indexing is a null concept for dictionary. Nothing. If you will find anything inside dictionary named as indexing, that is nothing. Indexing is something which we can use on list or maybe on table, but not on this dictionary. So in dictionary, if we want to access something, we need to use the key. Okay, how to do that? So this is the thing. So now what we are doing, we are simply accessing the names key. Okay, we are simply accessing the name key. See, this is the dictionary, this is the dictionary, this is the dictionary, and name is the key. So we will access name key. So if I will access the name key, then I can get all the names. If I will access the age key, then I will get all the ages, all the given age. Okay, all the age. Now the concept is we were able to go inside the names. Now I want only Sandhu, or I want only yoga. I want only yoga, maybe Sandhu, maybe any other thing. Okay, so that can be done. Now we will slice it. Okay, now we will do some slicing and dicing over it. And now say it. I'm accessing the name. Okay, name. All the name are accessed. Now see this. Let me show you the dictionary again. Let me print it here for the more clear view. This is the dictionary, you can see. Okay, this is a dictionary. This is how you see a dictionary. This is how that CSV file is stored in Python. Okay, and these are the names. Okay, now maybe I want to see yoga. Okay, now I want to see yoga. So I will say -1 yoga, negative. Okay, because this is how, this is the key, and we are telling the dictionary that we want to access this key, and this key, these values are associated with this key. So these values are in form of list. So now we can do the indexing. But first we have to use the key. Okay. Now the concept of indexing comes, and I guess by now your concept of indexing is maybe very strong, and you can use that. And if you want to maybe what we can say, last element, any element, the indexing thing you can use. Okay. And then now how to access the key? Like if maybe this is very small dictionary. Maybe we are and treat them as a column. Okay, height column, name column, age column. Now imagine we are having 1,000 columns. Now we need to understand what are the keys. Then simple thing you have to do is dot keys. You have to use in front of the dictionary, and you will find all the keys. And what are the values associated with the keys? Maybe you want to know. So these are the values associated with the keys. Okay. Now again the concept of adding elements to the key comes, like how to add elements to the key. Okay, so how to add element to the key is a simple concept. How to add is dictionary name, the key name on which you want to add the value to update. Okay, nothing else. So let's see the student detail dict. This is the student detail dictionary. Okay, this is the dictionary. Now I want to maybe update the email column. So this is the email as a key. This is a key name. This is the dictionary name. and this is the key name. Okay, and after that we are adding these values to the key. Okay, then this is what happened. Again we are having emails, and these are the email which you want to add. Okay, now this is something adding a single key. Now I want to add multiple keys or the multiple elements. How to do that? For that we have to use update dot update. Okay, and what is the format? The format is simple: the dictionary name dot update, and after that key and the value associated with it.